Are you looking for the most profitable Fiverr gigs? Well, I'm going to share with you the 5 best profitable gigs on Fiverr for 2019. So stay with me throughout this video. What's up, guys? Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 best gigs on Fiverr for 2019. I'm going to share with you the most profitable gigs that you can get into on Fiverr for the year 2019. So stay with me throughout this video. Before we get started, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and give me a like. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's content, post them down below in the comments and I will reply. Now, guys, if you are looking for a passive income, one that can make you money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, and you can earn a full-time income from, click the link down in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method, and I'll send you over some information. All right, let's get started with today's video on the top 5 best gigs on Fiverr. All right, so we're going to start with number 5. Number 5 is chatbot development, okay? This isn't as hard as you think it is. You can Google, you can find YouTube, and if you already know how to make chatbots, this is a great place to go to earn money doing what you already know how to do. All right, guys? So not everybody's going to know how to do all these things that I talk about. These are just going to be the most profitable gigs for 2019, okay? So number 5 is chatbot development, okay? You come in here and you can see, look, I will develop IBM Watson powered chatbots for $10, okay? So this is a newbie. Look, these guys are charging 100, 130, 500. Of course, he don't have any gigs. You can see this is all new, right? There's not a whole bunch of people in here doing this. So it's a good gig to get into because it's not saturated yet. As you can see, not many people have a whole bunch of stuff, but there are a few in here, right? So keep your eye out for chatbot development on Fiverr because this is going to be a growing thing. I'm telling you right now because I do WordPress websites and I can tell you chatbots are taking off like crazy. And this is going to be an area, if you know how to make a chatbot, you can earn a lot of money for on Fiverr because it's not saturated yet. All right. So number 4 is search engine. All right. Search engine marketing. Okay. And what do we mean by search engine marketing? Okay. Search engine marketing is optimizing your searches for AdWords, basically, right? So you're basically doing you're paying somebody to do keyword research for you, okay? So it's called search and display marketing, okay? What they're doing is they're going to help you get ranked in Google. This is a very popular place to go because this will help you do things like get your video up and running, okay? Get it ranked in Google. Get your WordPress blog ranked on Google. All right, so get your affiliate marketing website ranked in Google. So these things are really popular, and it's a very must-have product if you're trying to rank your website or your video or anything on Google. Then you want to pay somebody to do that if you don't know how to do it, so you can get ranked faster than waiting 6 months for your site to mature and you can start getting ranked in Google, okay? So this guy will run and manage, optimize your AdWords for $195. This guy's doing it for starting at $495. What he'll do is manage your campaign, so he'll actually help you get your website ranked and he'll just manage it, right? So he might have to tweak it here and there, and while he does that, he's making good money. Let's click on his real quick just to see how much money he is making with this. All right, so you can see here the basic is $495, Premium is $8.95, and people are actually buying this, right? Google campaign managing with responsibility. So you can see, bottom line, while lowering, his efforts are helping my business bottom line. Okay, so you're going to get ranked on Google. It's going to help your business tenfold, and that goes for whatever you're doing online. Okay, the next one is mobile app development, and this is a big one too, guys. And there are so many ways to make mobile apps nowadays. You can do it so easy and cheap. You can do a YouTube search on how to make your first app. If you aren't a developer, if you are an app developer, there's no reason why you should not be making money as a freelancer on the side on Fiverr. And this is the number 3 top gig for 2019, mobile app development, because everybody wants their own app. All right, you can create your own app if you have workouts, or if you have recipes or tips. You can create your own, get your own app created and promote it. And it's not that expensive to get an app created, right? I mean, this guy will do it for $150. Looks like he does a lot of them. This guy's $350, $500, but you can see how much money you can make with mobile app development. Okay, so that's another one to go look at, is mobile app development, especially if you have that skill set to make a mobile app. There's no reason why you shouldn't be freelancing your skills. All right, number 2 is website builders and CMS. Okay, so website builders, it's never going away. Okay, so people are charging for website development no matter what. I mean, it is 2019, and you can go to Wix and create your own website. But look, this guy's charging money to build a Wix website. Let me see how much he's charging here. I mean, right here, $20, $80, and $160 to build a Wix website. So you're paying for Wix, and he's just making it fancy for you. Okay, so there's people out there doing this stuff. Anybody can do that, because you can go out and get a Wix account and start creating a website. I mean, it's pretty much just drag and drop. Okay, look, he'll develop your website and app starting at $50. But these guys are making money. Okay, so this guy's starting at $150. This guy's starting at $100. And I mean, this guy's starting at $50. Okay, he has 34 5.5 stars. Okay, let's look at his gigs. Where are they at here? $50. He just has one gig, $50. So he'll make you a website for $50, and he'll just pump them out, I guess. All right, so as you can see, so he'll do one page for $50. So if you want multiple pages, he's going to charge you $50 for each page. So there's money in website development on Fiverr. Number 1 2019 gig for Fiverr, video marketing. Video marketing is going to blow up. It's all about video. I'm here on YouTube right now, and you can see Instagram's using stories, Facebook's using stories, and watch. Facebook's doing live, Instagram's doing live, YouTube's doing live stream. All these companies are using video to go viral with their marketing. So marketing, I mean, look at this. This is the most popular gig right now on Fiverr, I think. And you're just going to blow up. All right. So it'll help you get YouTube traffic. It'll help you get traffic to your website. So guys, if you know how to do any kind of web or video marketing, this is a great place to start, and you can learn this stuff. All right. So it takes practice. Of course, you can come in here and pay somebody to do one for you and find out what they did, or just Google it and learn how to do it and become a video marketer. Okay. So you can do marketing videos for people. And this is a great way to make money. All right. Especially if you have that skill set. Of course, these Fiverr skills aren't for everybody, but there's freelancers out there looking for work, and they have these type of skills, and they should be making money. So why not it be you? All right. So I hope these 5 gigs will help somebody in 2019 earn some income and be able to do something that they're passionate about. All right. I hope you had a great time on this video. Give me a like, give me a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace out.